In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new Apple ID on the web. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the website account.apple.com. Once you're over here, at the top right, you're going to find the option of create your Apple account. Click on it. You'll be directed to this page. Now fill in your details by entering your first name and last name, selecting your country or region, and adding your date of birth. After that, enter your email address, which will become your Apple ID, and create a strong password. Then re-enter it to confirm it. Next, select your country or region again if prompted and enter your phone number, including the area code. Apple will ask you to verify this number, so choose whether you want to receive a verification code via text message or phone call. You may also see options to receive announcements for apps, music, TV, and more. You can turn these off or leave them on based on your preference. Finally, complete the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot and click continue. Once done, your Apple ID will be created successfully, and now you can use it to sign into Apple services on any device. And that's it. This way you can easily create new Apple ID on web. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.